We can continue. Next problem. Find the area of the smaller part of the circle x square plus y square equal to a square cut off by the line x is equal to a by root 2. So, circle equation is given. What is the standard equation of this circle? Standard equation of a circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Here center is at h comma k and radius is equal to r. So what about this equation? X square plus y square is equal to a square. The center is at origin. Center at 0, 0 and the radius r is equal to a. So that's why this figure here the center this be x-axis, y-axis. Center at origin. Okay, and radius is a. So this is a, that is a, or I can take this point as a0. Okay. Now what is given in the question? Find the area of the smaller part of the circle cut off by the line x is equal to a by root 2. X is equal to a constant is a line parallel to y-axis. So we have to draw a line parallel to x-axis through this point a by root 2. The radius 0, let this point be a, here it is b. So from the origin to a, the distance is a. So a by 2 means just half of that. Here it is a by root 2. So where we draw the line, is it close to this origin or close to this a? How we get that? A by root 2. When we rationalize, multiply by root 2, root 2 into root 2. So it is root 2 a by 2. A by 2 is the half of a. So a by 2 into root 2 is more than that. So the line is closer to this a. Okay. So we can draw a line like that. Okay. So this line is x is equal to a by root 2. Now where we shade area of the smaller part of the circle cut off by the line. So this area is smaller than this portion. So we can shade that. Okay, that region is the required region, and both upper and lower portion both are symmetric. So we can do required area as 2 times the area above the x-axis. Now from where to where? What about the point? Let this point be C. What about C? Its x coordinate. C is x coordinate. Since the line is x is equal to a by root 2, it is a by root 2 0. Isn't it? A by root 2 0. So we can write required area as 2 times 2 times the area, 2 times 2 into area of the region ACD. So that is 2 times integral from where to where? Integral from a by root 2 to a. A by root 2 to a, area under the curve. A by root 2 to a, which is the curve? A by root 2 to a, the curve is this one, dA, that is the portion of the circle. And circle equation is, here the formula is y dx. So we have to find y. The equation of the circle is x square plus y square equal to a square. So y square is equal to a square minus x square, or y is equal to root of that. So this is equal to 2 times integral root of a square minus x square dx. Positive root since we are taking the first quadrant. Now integrate. This is standard integral. So that's equal to 2 times integral root of a square minus x square is equal to x by 2 into that itself plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a. Between the limits a by root 2 to a. Now first we have to apply upper limit then lower limit. So when we apply the upper limit a by root 2 into root of a square minus a square, that becomes 0, plus a square by 2 sin inverse a by a, that becomes 1, then minus x is a by root 2. So a by 2 root 2 into root of a square minus square of this a square by 2, then again minus or put a bracket plus a square by 2 sin inverse a by a, then root 2. So a and a cancel. Now simplify. That is 2 into the first part is 0 plus a square by 2 sin inverse 1. Sin inverse 1 is pi by 2. Then minus a by 2 root 2 into taking LCM 2a square minus a square is a square. Its root is a, then by 2, that is root 2. Then minus a square by 2 sin inverse 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 at pi by 4. Here you have to write in terms of radian, not degree. Now again simplification. 2 into pi a square by 4 minus a square by 4 minus pi a square by 8. Multiply by 2. So pi a square by 2 minus a square by 2 minus pi a square by 4. Again pi a square by 2 and pi a square by 4 we can simplify. So taking LCM, 4 is the LCM. So multiply by 2, 2 pi a square minus pi a square becomes pi a square minus a square by 2. Or a square by 2 is common, taking out pi by 2 minus 1. This much square units for the that closed portion. Okay. So once again a circle is given. We have to find the area of the smaller part of the circle cut off by the line x is equal to a by root 2, and circle whose center is at the origin and radius is a. Then drawing this line. So how to draw? Is it through the middle portion or closer to the end point? That we have to identify, rationalizing the denominator. So you will get. Then shading the smaller part, not this side, it is the right side. Then identify the coordinates, x coordinate. So this point is a by root 2 0, the end point is a 0. So integral from a by root 2 to a, and both the upper and lower portions are there. We can take 2 times the area above the x axis, 2 times a by root 2 to a y dx. From the circle equation find y, then integrate. Integrate, substitute the values, so we get the area. Next one, the area between x is equal to y square and x is equal to 4 is divided into 2 equal parts by the line x is equal to a. Find the value of a. So area between x is equal to y square equal to 4ax is the parabola. Right open parabola. Then x is equal to 4. So we have to draw x is equal to 4. Let this be x is equal to 4. Then the area between this parabola and the line, so this much area, is divided into two equal parts by another line x is equal to a. So this area is divided by another line. So draw one line x is equal to a. These are all straight lines parallel to y-axis. Then what is the value of a? So this is origin. Here the coordinates 4, 0. This one is AC. Okay. So C, D. So how to find that? What is given in the question? The area, both upper and lower portions are there, we can take 2 times. So area OAB, that whole area is divided into 2 equal parts by the line CD. And what is the value of this A? So here we can find, no need to shade now. I can write area OAB is 2 times the area ODC. Is it correct? Area, actually it is the lower, that is below x-axis also there, but 2 times means that we can cancel. Or I will write, again I have to rub. Okay. So given that area of the region OCB, okay, OCB, the whole area, OCB is 2 times 2 into area of the region ODE, or that same we can write as, that is 2 times area of OAB is equal to 2 into, this 2 into area of the region ODE is same as again 2 into area of OFE or OEF. So this 2 and 2 cancel. Then what is area of OAB? Area of OAB in terms of integral, area of OAB. O is the origin. So integral from 0 to the end point OAB, that is from 0 to 4. 0 to 4 y dx is equal to 2 into integral OEF. OEF integral is from 0 to a, okay, 0 to a y dx, which implies 0 to 4 y dx. What is y? X is equal to y square. So y is equal to root x. Root x, since it is the upper portion. So 0 to 4 root x dx is equal to 2 times 0 to a root x dx. Now integrate. Root x integral is x raised to 1 by 2. Its integral is x raised to 3 by 2 by 3 by 2, that is 2 by 3, between the limit 0 to 4, which is equal to 2 times again x raised to 3 by 2, here 2 by 3, between 0 to a. So 3 and 3 we can cancel, 1, 2 cancel. So 4 raised to 3 by 2 minus 0 is equal to 2 into a raised to 3 by 2 minus 0. 4 raised to 3 by 2 is 8. So 8 is equal to 2a raised to 3 by 2, or 4 is equal to a raised to 3 by 2. So what is a? Which implies a is equal to 4 raised to 2 by 3. Okay. Or if a raised to 1 by 2. If a raised to 1 by 2 is equal to 4, then what is a? A means squaring, then only we get a. Squaring the right hand side. So 4 square. That is 1 by 2, just write the reciprocal. The same way, a raised to 3 by 2 is 4. So a means this 3 by 2, its reciprocal will here 2 by 3. Okay. So once again, parabola is given y square equal to x. Then the line x is equal to 4. The area between these two is divided into 2 equal parts by another line x is equal to a. Then what is value of a? So we can write as area OAB is same as 2 times area OFE. Okay, or you can take 2 times area FABE. That way also you can do. Then integrate. So 0 to 4, integral 0 to 4 is 2 times integral 0 to a, and y is same both case. So a is equal to 4 raised to 2 by 3. The next one, find the area bounded by the curve y is equal to sin x between x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 2 pi. So here sin x, graph of sin x. Sin 0 is 0, sin pi by 2 is 1. Sin pi is 0, sin 273 pi by 2 is minus 1, sin 2 pi is 0. So first you have to draw the curve. Then we have to find the area from 0 to 2 pi. So when we look this portion and this portion both are same. So we can write as 2 times area of the region above the x-axis. Okay. So required area is equal to two times area from where to where, integral from this 0 to pi. Then pi to 2 pi is the second part. Both are equal, symmetric. So we can write 2 times 0 to pi y dx. We are using x coordinates. This x and this is y. Then what is y? Y is sin x. The curve is sin x. Sin x dx. Now integrate. 2 times sin x integral is minus cos x between 0 to pi. That is 2 into minus, also we can take out, cos pi minus cos 0. Okay, cos pi minus cos 0. What is cos pi? Cos pi is minus 1 minus 1. So it is minus 2 into minus 2 is 4. So area of the region, the area bounded by the curve y is equal to sin x and x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 and x is equal to 2 pi. That is equal to